Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Northridge Finance account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Northridge365.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of Northridge Finance. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you haven't registered yet, you can simply register for your account by clicking on the option sign up that you can see right over here. If you already have the account and if you want to sign in to your account, you'll need to enter your email address and password. So simply click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now after you enter the email address, you'll have to enter the password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter the password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Northridge Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.